everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome back to my channel. If anyone's new, welcome. WYGO stands for When You Get Old. I am 55 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you've stopped by because you're curious what I received in the April 2022 Boxycharm base box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, I must say, this box is quite heavy, which in the olden days I thought was a good thing. Now that I realize heavy equals skincare, ay. But let's do this and hope I enjoy my box. If anyone isn't aware of what Boxycharm is, it is a beauty subscription which retails for $28 a month. You get 5 full-size products and you get to select one of the items. Alright, enough rambling. Let's dive in, grab the card, and see what the theme is all about. Alright, so the theme is Spring Revival, and I am iteration 84. There are pricing and product information on the back of the card, which comes in handy when you're filming a video. Alright, item number 1, and I fear Nola, I think we're Boxy twins just looking at the first item. This here is from CÉLA, and it is a Net Voyant de Glacier. Why do I always go straight for the French? It's a gentle glacial cleansing cream, 120 ml. Let's read what the card has to say. This here is a new brand to Boxy, although I've received products from this brand in Ipsy. It retails for $45, and this is a gentle glacial cleansing cream which helps the removal of makeup, environmental pollutants, and dead facial skin. Oh, is it an exfoliator as well? I don't know. Pricey, 45 bucks. Did I just get a cleanser in my Ipsy? Yes. All right, I'm going to try to be positive. What is the next item? Oh, Nola, we are not Boxy twins, but you were correct. I did get the hair care product that you really wanted. This here is from Christophe Robin, and it is the Instant Volumizing Leave-In Mist. Ooh, they had me until they said with rose water, because I did see someone doing their PR unboxing and they had this, and I thought to myself, as much as I don't care for hair care products, I do have fine hair and I do need volume, and it's a water mist, and I thought maybe I could try this product. But let's see how rose scented it is. Do not care for the spritzer. Oh, she's rose. She is rose. Although, I don't know. If it's in your hair, Nola, if you want this, it's yours. All right. Oh, what does that retail for? This is 150 ml and retails for $39. 2 for 2, not liking my product so far. All right, come on, last 3. Save the day. What do we have here? The packaging looks like Item Beauty. Yes. This here is the Lash Smack Lengthening Mascara. I love mascaras. I am a hashtag natural lashes kind of gal. However, I only wear waterproof, and I am 99.999% sure this is not waterproof. What does this retail for? $15. That is a really good price for a mascara, considering this is not drugstore. But there's some drugstore mascaras that are like $12, $50, $13. So that's a very good deal. And that will go into a future giveaway. Come on. I'm already not liking this box. All right, what do we have here? This is the Lucky Chick Liquid Eyeshadow. It retails for $22. What shade? Oh, it's a pretty shade. It's like a dusty rose shimmer. Let's do a swatch. It has a kind of flat paddle type of applicator. I put it on kind of thick. Let's blend it out and see how it blends. That is beautiful. Yes, okay. All right, and the last item, I see one of my favorite words, foundation. This here is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it is the Luminous Foundation, standard 30 ml, and I have the shade 260N. Oh. I thought the Yensa from my Ipsy, did they put that in without me selecting? I was confusing this one with that one. This is the one that, look how dark it is. Because all of the light shades were gone. OMG. All right, what does this retail for? That's not too bad. It's $38 for a bougier brand. Surprising to me, this cleanser costs more than a foundation from Anastasia Beverly Hills. All right, so this has a pump. It's going to be too dark, but it is what it is. I personally mix foundations all the time, so it doesn't bother me. If I have some that are too light, yep, that's way, 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 way too dark. But it is what it is. All right, let's recap everything that came in my box. You got a leave-in volumizing mist from Christophe Robin, a gentle cleansing glacial cream from CÉLA, a volumizing mascara from Item Beauty, a liquid eyeshadow from Lucky Chick, and a luminous foundation from Anastasia Beverly Hills. What are your thoughts? I think you know by now what my thoughts are. Ah, Boxycharm, what are you doing to me? So I normally don't like hair care products, and this one for once I thought, yes, but then it has to strongly, I mean strongly smell of roses. So, no thank you. Will I use a cleanser? Yes. Do I love getting them? Not really. I have so many I need to go through. We know how I feel about non-waterproof mascara. The most exciting thing to me is this cream eyeshadow, and I don't wear cream eyeshadows. But this one looks like it'd be a nice topper, so I'm good. And then we have the foundation. I love complexion products. This one, however, is too dark, but I can make it work. So, 1.5 products out of a box of 5. This is the worst box I've received in a really long time. I'm going to list the MSRP value. Let me know your thoughts. I know I can be picky, but honestly, I don't like this box. And I had a sense because the few people I did see unbox and from how heavy this box was, someone told me I'd be getting the hair care product, and sure enough I did. All right, let me know what you got in your box. Are we boxy twins? Are you like, thank God I didn't get your box? Yeah, I don't blame you. Or let me know if you love my box. Maybe we can do a little trade. Okay, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big fat favor and click that thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.